Okay, so I'm going to live mark this question here. This is the question we've given, which was a grade B plus question. Why was it a B plus question? Well, it's a bit harder than normal. Jack, you decided to get your y coefficients the same. Why did you do that?
Because it's a plus and a minus.
Okay, so because there's different signs, it looks like a smaller error there the way you wrote it down, but it's obviously been corrected to a minus. That is a -2. If that ever happens, you must get those coefficients the same. So that's why this has been times by 2, and that's why this has been times by 5. So two new equations, 3 and 4, but whenever you have got a plus and a minus sign like Jack has got here, then what you must do is you must add the equations here. So I was looking to see that, and that would be a method mark for adding those two equations there. Okay? Your next mark comes from, it doesn't come from here, although this is correct, you actually get your next mark for getting the answer as x equals 2. Now to get that answer, or to get that mark, your answer must be 2. If it's not 2, you don't get the answer. However, even if you are wrong on that line there, as long as you have subbed in whatever your value for x was, this line here is enough to get you another mark. That is the correct method. You should sub in whatever your answer is there into one of the original equations to find your next answer. Okay? So, from there, you can see, because he's written really, really well to us, he said sub into 1, I can see that 6 times 2 plus 5y equals 27, yeah. And then he's answered that as 12, which is correct, and then he's taken 12 off each side. You can see quite clearly he's corrected that by there. And that becomes 5y equals 15, and then he's divided both sides by 5 to get a final answer of y equals 3, and it has to be y equals 3 to get that final mark. This is an absolutely perfect solution. This is worth 4 out of 4. Okay, I'm gonna mark examiner assess it now and see what went well. Any ideas why I'm really pleased with the solution? What I'm looking at in particular to be really pleased with it? It's all right, but that doesn't mean it's a really good solution. Just it's all right. I can show you lots of work that's all right that you can't really understand. The method is fantastic. The way it's laid out. Here and here, very, very clear, okay? So what went well is very clear layouts, and as a result, that is easy to follow, and as a result, that is very easy to mark. Why is it beneficial to have your work easy to mark?
Because it's easier for the examiner.
Yeah, you don't want them to have to go looking for to give you marks. You just want to say, look, here's all my work in here. Worst case scenario, he had that answer for y wrong, and that answer for x wrong, he just loses those 2 marks and you get his method marks straight away from that. Okay? Even better if, can anyone spot anything bad about his work? There's nothing major at all. I mean, admittedly, he wrote like a divide plus on there, but he's corrected that. That's not a problem. That's not an issue. My even better if would be maintain this level of work. This is a fantastic answer, so well done. Okay?